Check, 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 check. Hey there, Tay Whiteside here at LiftArc Studios. I've got a cool project that I'm gonna work on and really excited about the possibilities here. So there's a fire pit out there called the Solo Stove. And I believe the company originally invented something like this for camping applications, but people liked it so much that they started to develop their own line of bigger fire pits. A good friend of mine here in town in Roanoke has one. And one of the limitations with this fire pit is that there's no footrest, and the entire body of the fire pit gets red hot when it's actually burning, which, you know, if you have small kids or something like that, it kind of becomes an issue, it could be. So one thing I've developed that I'm hoping works out is a ring that goes around the top of the Solo Stove, and there's 4 legs that I've designed to have kind of a curve and be aesthetically pleasing, and then a ring around the bottom. So basically it's a enclosure, let's call it, for the Solo Stove, which allows you to keep the stove, which is a really cool thing. They're affordable, they're portable, they come with a carrying case and everything, you can bring them around. But when it's at your house and serving as the main fire pit, it's, at least my buddy explained to me, it would be nice for it to be a little bit bigger and have a few more features. Mainly the footrest and to keep kids from being able to run into it. So, I've got the piece drawn up, I designed it in SketchUp. I transferred the 2D drawings into my software for my plasma cutter, and I've got a sheet of 3/16 steel on the plasma table right now that I'm gonna cut the first one out. This will be the prototype. I'm gonna take you along with me, we'll see how it works, and there's other people out there that have a Solo Stove that are experiencing the same problems. There may be nobody, but if we're doing it, it's worth filming, documenting, and sharing it with you guys, just in case there's someone out there who's experienced the same problem. So, time to cut. So, I thought this was interesting. So after we filmed all of that, Walker and I did some digging online, and Solo Stove themselves on their blog say, and I quote, "Our fire pits get extremely hot when you are burning in them, and enclosures create separation between you and the fire pit." This is in a blog about DIY Solo Stove enclosures. If you're gathering around the fire pit with little ones and pets, the enclosures help keep them safe at a distance, or keep them at a safe distance. This is great, but they don't actually offer any enclosures, because obviously even Solo Stove themselves admit that there is a benefit to having this red hot piece of metal a bit isolated from your kids and pets. So I really think this concept has legs, and I'd like to continue to refine it. So obviously right now, one of the issues is that it is all welded together. It is one piece, which is great, it's gonna last forever, but it's really expensive to ship. So unless you live close to me and want to come pick one up, which obviously you are welcome to do, come see us. However, I think there's a real case to be made for putting more research into it and making a flat pack version that I can flatten down, put in a box, and ship for cheaper to get it to all of you out there, even across the pond. I know we have viewers in the UK and stuff. Do you guys even have Solo Stoves over there? I guess shipping would be ridiculous. It probably says free shipping in the continental United States. So maybe that's an issue. But we hope to make a follow-up video of this one, and where we actually pursue the act of making a modular version of this Solo Stove surround. Hopefully one that bolts together with really nice high quality fasteners. Arden, my summer intern, and I are gonna work together to develop one that makes sense, one that doesn't feel cheap and, you know, insert Swedish big box store name here-ish. So, you know, we'll put some design work into that, and in a future video, we'll bring you with us on that journey to see how it comes out. We might make some scale models to see the best way, maybe some system of tabs and slots, or, you know, bent flanges with bolt holes, some combination of all those things. Also, in the spirit of that future video, drop us your ideas down in the comments. If you have an idea of how to take this design and make it modular, you know, you kind of basically have a top ring, 4 legs, and 4 ring sections, and maybe that bottom ring could be one piece and they all notch around. There's a thought. See, I'm thinking and talking. Let us know down in the comments, and if you have some good ideas on how to make it modular, we will absolutely steal your ideas and put it in the next video for the prototype, and you get to see it come to life. And we will give you credit, of course, because we're not total scumbags.
Come join the Lift Arc Brain Trust.
Come join the Lift Arc Brain Trust. Thank you for watching, as always. Please like, subscribe, comment, and in this case, comment if you have any relevant ideas to the pursuit of the ultimate solo stove surround. See you next time, and see you next time. Buy our shirts. Walker, put a shirt on me.